Do you think you're not sitting on the couch? Off. Being annoying. Get off.
Come on, you just went outside. Get it out. Give me the blanket. Oh. Ow, ow.
This is Mac at 6 weeks. This is Mac at 7 weeks. Mac at 8 weeks. 9 weeks. 10 weeks. 11 weeks. 12 weeks. This is Mac at 13 weeks. He's heavy. 14 weeks. 15 weeks. 16 weeks. 17 weeks.
Bentley's like, what the fuck is going on? Oh. Dude, our dog. What is wrong?
I'm thirsty. Refreshing.
None of these people realize they're in the presence of a certified forklift driver.
You're adopted. Yeah. You're not mine. You're adopted. Yeah.
I have 2 pieces of High Noons and then 2 bottles of Cabernet.
Who is that fine babe?
And that makes me question getting married. Can you think of me? How hard this is for me?
What are these noises?
Look at this. I just have this little guy that sits in my living room and stares at me. He just sits there and looks at me. Look at it. He's just a little man. I just bought him one day.
No?
Hello? Yeah. Where? Where's everybody going? Oh, they're going to the bye-bye? Oh, really? Oh, wow. Okay, what? They're going to have chicken in there? A lot of chicken? Oh, wow. Okay. All right, then. Okay. Perfect. I'm going to put my shoes on. All right, I'm going to get ready. Okay.
No, you're lying. No, you're lying. Does he do this all the time?
No, I'll cry.
No, I'm gonna cry.
Oh, love. Oh, kisses.
Bottom line is we need to get a dog for protection. Like if someone tried to break into our house, I'd want to make sure that they were immediately terrified.
You're a brat. Yeah, you.
Don't get a dog, they said. It's too much responsibility, they said. Well, watch this. Watch and learn. Sit. Paw. Good. Hug, hug, hug. Oh, thank you. Thank you, Babas. Thank you. Say, I'm 11 weeks old. This is my first week home. And this was the best decision of my entire life.
Nigel! The fuck? Get off! That's not your ice cream!
Nubby.
No! No. No. No.
And I'm gonna get down with her soon. She's on.
Gennesino, guarda.
I'm having a fucking panic attack right now. I need to calm the fuck down because I'm having a panic attack.
¡Arre, arre, arre! Caballo que más le trote, sí. Caballo que más le trote, no. Caballo que más le trote, le mando una burra. Más, más, más. Y a trotar, y a trotar. Más, más, más.